You would have seen Kylie Jenner first time on the reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. And if not, then don't worry, because some of your beauty products would be from her multi-billion dollars cosmetic brand Kylie Cosmetics. Kylie Jenner became the youngest billionaire in the world, and we all know what it really means to be a billionaire. It is always very interesting to have a peep at these billionaires spend their money. That's why today we have decided to share with you how Kylie Jenner spends her $1.5 billion each year. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing video like this one. Having said that, let's get into the video. Number 5. Jewelry Collection. Kylie Jenner is known to possess one of the most expensive collections of jewelry, which she enjoys wearing a lot on Instagram. She is known for wearing Cartier Love bracelets the most. These things are basically synonymous with Kylie now. The most basic model of them costs about $6,300, while the most expensive one costs about $25,000. Kylie has been pictured with more than 15 different models, meaning that she has at least $500 million invested in Cartier Love bracelets. Incredibly, she also has an 18-karat smoky quartz bracelet, which is valued at more than $72,000. She also owns a very unique watch that features a leather band in a navy face. The gorgeous contrast between the face and the golden diamond encrusted settling is just stunning. This is valued at most $25,000. In her collection, she also has a Rolex automatic Southwind watch worth about $6,000, a Cartier Balloon Blues Dubron watch worth $250,000, a Rolex Day-Date President Yellow Gold watch worth $27,000, and Cobbler Classic 18-karat white gold earrings worth $50,000. Too hot! Number 4. Motherhood for her daughter. It seems very common to think that how much she can spend on her daughter, but it suggests that she spends money touching $1 million on her daughter. When it comes to taking care of her daughter and choosing the best things for her, Kylie leaves nothing. She has been seen taking care of her daughter like no one else, and it's evident that she loves her daughter more than anything. We have seen her selecting the best nannies for her daughters who could take care of Stormy when Kylie is out. She spends thousands of dollars every month on nannies alone. Apart from the nannies, she spends thousands of dollars on childcare products. Even she had arranged a birthday party when Stormy tuned one and rented a beachside villa for an extravagant party that could last as a memory. Number 3. Private jet. When you have tons of money in your bank's account, then you won't travel in the VIP class or first class of airplanes. Rather, you'll be buying yourself a private jet. Kylie did the same and brought a very luxurious private jet worth about $1 million. Her private jet has been branded with the word Kylie Skin, with pink writing in a baby pink stripe running down the side of the aircraft. In a recent family vacation, she rolled out a pink carpet to welcome her friends and family along for an apparent summer holiday ride inside the jet. The jet also had pink silk Kylie Skin pillows and eye masks made for the flight. Kylie, her daughter, and her friends did a very wonderful photo shoot before getting into the jet. The sensational pictures flooded all around the internet for months, and Kylie indirectly succeeded to advertise her cosmetic brand with some fun. Number 2. Car Collection. Who does not love cars when it comes to Jenner? And she shows her class by spending her millions of dollars on some of the luxurious and fastest cars in the world. Jenner showed off her new Bugatti Chiron in an Instagram post, which is the most classic Bugatti model. It cost her a massive $3 million. With 1,400 horsepower, this vehicle is an absolute monster. It's famous for the world's fastest street-legal vehicle with a top speed of 304 miles an hour. Kylie also owns a brand new Mercedes G63. Had this Mercedes painted neon orange, so it would match her equally sterling Lamborghini Aventador. Beside this, she also owns a spotless Lamborghini Aventador. She had this car painted orange, which highlights the vehicle's design perfectly. She also owns Ferrari 458 that worth about $450,000. Kylie also spent about $300,000 on Ferrari 488 and gifted it to her mom's 63rd birthdays. Number 1. Real estate empire. We are talking about Kylie, who is the youngest billionaire, and when it comes to selecting a house, she spends millions over millions of dollars on it. Kylie has a real estate empire which she started building at the age of 17 years. Quite astonishing! The Calabasas, California mansion was purchased for $2.7 million in 2015, and this 4,851 square foot property was essentially a starter home for this billionaire, who then flipped it for $3.15 million. The next year, she upgraded to a Hidden Hills mini mansion, which she purchased for $6 million. This luxurious mansion has 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage. Once again, to continue building her real estate empire, in 2016, she purchased another house for $4.5 million. She bought another property in Hidden Hills that valued at $12 million. Most recently, Jenner split the cost of a $14 million Beverly Hills home with Travis Scott. Collectively, she owns houses at different places worth about $40 million. That brings us to the end of our today's video. Comment right below, would you ever spend that amount of money if you became a billionaire? We think you would. Before going anywhere, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing and interesting video like this one. Until the next video, stay tuned.